Okay, ready?
Fly. Oh, good work.
Okay, fly, little birdie. Okay.
No, it's no hands.
Okay, no hands, ready?
Yes!
Fine. Okay.
I'm gonna hold in a tree. I'm tired. Swim,
Fly, little birdie.
swim.
Fly, little birdie. Whoa!
I'm gonna take a while. Let me hold on my wings now.
Okay, are you ready?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Okay, you let me know when you're ready. Do them really far out. Flap them really far out. Oh,
There you go.
I said I'm gonna do it far in.
Really? Far in and far out, far in, far out, far in, far out.
Whoa, good balance.
I know, it's so good.
Okay.
And then I have another idea. One more thing we can add. Besides the juggling, you're going to juggle up there too. Okay, you want to flap down? Dismount? Okay, ready?
Like
1,
this.
2, you're going to jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, that wasn't good.
It was pretty good. Okay, then up.
That wasn't good.
There you go. You did it.
You did it, okay.
No.
Hey, do you want to get up on my...
Now you're going to flap?
You going to sit on my foot?